Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we're at Nicosia. We're heading towards Ledra Street. There it is. Very famous street, guys. Now there are little streets heading off it. There's one down there, and there's some down there on the right and the left. Little narrow streets and alleyways. Lots of little cafes and restaurants down here. And this is the most famous street of all. There's some big names down here, some designer shops and coffee shops, as I say, and also lovely Christmas lights. So we've been down Freedom Square, guys, not too far away from here. Beautiful park. It's now all finished, or mostly finished. We did come down here a few years ago. It wasn't finished, now it is. Look out for the video. It's really lovely. There's some fantastic water features. Now, as you can see, this is the most popular street of all. We have been down a couple of the side streets, did a little video at night, and we'll be going back there tomorrow during the day. We can explore these little side streets. Little popcorn there. Oh, corn on the cob and hot chestnuts. Look, you can see all the designer shops. And look at the old buildings. Always look up. Look at that. Very retro, isn't it? Probably 1950s, that particular one. Right, let's carry on down, shall we? There's a Body Shop and H&M. Look at that, that's totally modern, isn't it? Look, brand new building up there. And then we've got some older buildings coming up on the left. And there's some independent little shops as well. Oh look, some signs. Look, there's some brown signs, guys. Look, the Cyprus Classic Motorcycle Museum. That's down there. We'll go down there tomorrow and we can do a little video of that. That'd be interesting. So as you can see, there's quite a few little independent shops down here, and then the big giant ones. I'm guessing these little independent shops were here some time ago, and then these massive department stores and clothes shops turned up since. It's become very popular. Oh, there's some more corn on the cob. That's an option, guys. There's corn on the cob, and there's also chestnuts there. Might be an idea for tonight, guys. We've had lunch, so we're not going to have a dinner tonight. We'll probably have a corn on the cob. That'd be enough. Look at this giant kebab shop. Very popular. Watches. Well, it is January today, so there are some bargains to be had. Now we have been down to the Cyprus Mall shopping centre in Nicosia earlier on today. We thought we'd do a little video and do a bit of shopping. There are some really good bargains down there at the moment. It's January the 5th. It's a little bit chilly tonight. Well, I'm feeling chilly. You guys might probably feel a bit warm, but it's probably only 15 degrees. Oh, let's go further down, see what else we can find. Oh, it's an ice cream shop. Jungle Pieces. I wonder what that's all about, guys. Look, can you see all these little narrow roads leading off? And they're all full of little cafes and lovely little shops. And we've just been down one where they've totally restored the whole area. And they're full of lovely workshops where you can pick up some lovely handmade items, guys. Now we're coming up to the end. There we are, and there are more cafes down here. Look at this. Beautiful umbrellas. Oh, mind the traffic. Oh, there's a floating carpet. Doesn't matter. Keep going. Look at that old shop there. There we are. Now we're coming up to the crossing point, guys. And we'll be coming back here, as I said, tomorrow. We'll do a little video in the daylight and then we'll cross over. Right, there's the crossing point. Now you can't drive through this crossing point, it is just for walking over, guys. Show your passport and off you go. Oh, look at this little taverna. Look, it's got a secret garden at the back. Join us in our magic garden. I'll show you a picture of it. There it is. See, that's at the back of this building. That secret garden. You can enjoy all sorts of lovely meals. And let's look up again. I did say we should look up. Look at the balconies. Let's stand back a little bit. I want to see these two old buildings. There we are. Look at that. Hasn't got a date. Number 95. Oh, wait a minute. We've got some old plaques on the doors. I wonder if these companies are still there. It says surgeon, dentist, and not sure what that says. I don't think they're still there, guys. Look at that old building up there. That's all boarded up in the middle. That's a shame. Look, and the front door's all boarded up. Yeah. Wouldn't that make an amazing apartment? Some interesting shops down here. I like the new art studios. They were amazing. Down the side street, guys. Just do a left after McDonald's and go down one of the side streets and you could come across this amazing area full of new art studios and art galleries. We see some handmade glass and jewellery down there. All sorts. Oh, look at those clocks up there, they're nice. All sorts of different clocks and stuff. It feels chilly to me. Oh, look at this. An arcade, Ledra Arcade. Look, where McDonald's is. More shops inside. Wow. Starbucks. Oh, there's Burger King. They've got everything down there, haven't they? Oh wow, look at the Christmas lights. I wonder when they're going to take those down. Shouldn't be too long, guys. 5th of January now. Probably going down in the next couple of days. So we just caught them in time. Oh, look at the massive Christmas tree. There we are. We're coming up to the main road now. Now this is where the old Nicosia wall is, just beyond the massive Christmas tree. Some more signs, guys. There are some more Brian signs. If you're interested in more bits and pieces to see, we have got a leaflet, a free leaflet with all sorts of interesting places on it, so we'll be visiting them tomorrow and do a little more videoing. There's the giant Christmas tree. We did come down here, as I say, a couple of years ago, and we did see that Christmas tree. It was amazing then as it is now. Oh, look at this. This is new. Wow. We're actually on top of the spaceship. Down below is what I call the spaceship, and it's an amazing walk, guys. Must be done. Freedom Square, that's just below us. Look out for the video. Look at this Christmas tree. Isn't it beautiful? Right, we're making our way back towards the hotel. I hope you enjoyed that little nighttime walk in Ledra Street. There it is down there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.